try to keep it so it's no thicker than this guy right here. That way we can pull it through that little 1/2 inch brass line without it getting kinked up anywhere. Just gonna tape up the end before I set it through so it doesn't catch on any of the elbows going through the pipe. You got to test all the lights underwater. So all you got to do now is just put the light into the light niche, tighten it down, make sure it turns on or doesn't flash like the old one was doing, and then we'll button it up and move on to the next one.